Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter number 2 from your practice book, and the chapter name is narration. We already read about narration, direct and indirect speech, how to change direct speech into indirect speech. Now we are going to study about the parts of narration sentence. A narration has two parts. How many parts? Two parts. These are reporting verb and reported speech. So what is reporting verb? The part which is outside the inverted commas is called reporting verb. जो भी सेंटेंस इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स से, ये तो इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में रहेगा ना, उनसे बाहर है, दैट इज रिपोर्टेड वर्ब. शी सेज टू हिम, दैट इज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल इज रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. दिस पार्ट इज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब and this part within inverted commas is reported speech. So what is the difference between reporting verb and reporting speech, or how we determine reporting verb and reported speech? Like the sentence within inverted commas is reported speech, and the part that is outside the inverted commas is reporting verb. Next, reported speech. The part of the narration sentence which is in the inverted commas is called reported speech. She says to him, I am going to school, and this part is reporting speech. Next, these two parts, which parts? These reporting verb and reported speech are further divided into sub parts. तो कौन से सब पार्ट्स हैं? रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का है रिपोर्टर and reporting verb 2. First we have to go through the who is reporter, what is reporting verb. So read here, who is reporter. Reporter is who said or narrate or narrator. जैसे किसी की बात किसी दूसरे इंसान को जो बता रहा है वो रिपोर्टर है, जो रिपोर्ट कर रहा है. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब क्या है? A verb that is used by the narrator. जो verb यानी कि verb होता है action word, जो भी act वो कर रहा है, that is used by the narrator is reporting verb. जैसे she said to me I am going to Jaipur. Said is she is reporter. क्योंकि reporting verb का part है, तो reporting verb वो sentence होता है जो inverted comma से outside रहता है. तो outside जो sentence है, इसमें इतने सेंटेंस में रिपोर्टर जो है कौन बता रहा है? शी सेड टू मी. किसने बोला? शी सेड टू मी. शी सेड टू मी आई एम गोइंग टू जयपुर. उसने कहा वो जयपुर जा रही है. उसने कहा, किसने कहा? शी सेड टू मी. मेरे से किसने कहा? उसने, मतलब शी इज़ द रिपोर्टर हियर, वो बता रही है. एंड रिपोर्टर क्या कर रही है? व्हाट इज़ द वर्ब हियर? बोल रही है, बता रही है. सेड, इट इज़ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. सो two parts of reporting verb is reporter and the reporting verb itself. Next, parts of reported speech. इसका एक ही पार्ट रहता है and it is verb of reported speech. Verb of reported speech. The verb of the reported speech is called the verb of reported speech. यानी कि action word of the reported speech is called what? The verb of reported speech. Example, she said to me I am going to Jaipur. She is reported here. कौन बता रहा है? She. Said is reporting verb. I am going to Jaipur is reported speech, and action word क्या है? am going is the verb of reported speech. Note, no change of tense is made if the reporting verb is in present tense. जो reporting verb है वो अगर प्रेजेंट टेंस में होता है तो उसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा. इट मीन्स दिस वन, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब। अगर ये प्रेजेंट में है, यहाँ पे सेड की जगह अगर से है, इट इज़ इन पास्ट। अगर से है तो कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा। इन विच, इन वॉट, इन रिपोर्ट, इन द वर्ब ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच, लाइक। And second note is change of tense takes place if and only if the reporting verb is in past tense. So here we are going to read change of tense, how it takes place. In the indirect speech, change of tense takes place if and only if the reporting verb is in past tense, and the reporting verb is here. I never eat egg, she explained. Reporting verb is in past tense, explained. For base form is explain here. So how we change it in indirect speech? She explained, ये तो similar रहेगा, that she never this one. Report, ये जो verb of the reported speech है ये change हो जाएगा, ate egg in past tense. One more example is here. She said I have been waiting for Ram. Said is the reporting verb in past tense, so it will change in she said that I had been waiting for Ram. यहाँ पे have था तो it will change in, now it is changed in had. So for our today's lecture it is enough. Wait for the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.